Hi,
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I am good, thank you. My name is Sahiba and I am from India.
Very nice. It's so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm
What's your name?
Kathleen, and I am from America.
Wow, America.
Yeah.
Nice.
So, what can I do for you today?
Ah, actually today mm, I want to learn with you some words
Okay.
with pronunciation.
Oh, some pronunciation?
Yeah,
All right. So, do you have a topic
actually
that you
uh, I have written some words. Uh, Yes, some words which I can't speak well.
Okay.
Yeah. So I tell you,
Okay.
you,
Sounds
you
good.
yeah. So you tell me in better way.
Okay.
Okay. So first word is favorite. Favorite.
Favorite.
Yes.
So, like, my favorite color is blue.
Yes. My favorite. Favorite.
Yes, favorite.
Favorite. Okay. My favorite color is blue.
Very good. Yeah.
Yeah. So second is condition.
All right. So, condition.
Condition.
Good.
Condition.
Very
Okay.
good. So, that in a sentence would be like, he had one condition.
He had one condition.
Very good. Yeah.
Yeah. And third, mm, 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 library.
All right. Library.
Library.
Good. Library.
Library.
Good.
Library.
Very nice. You got it.
Yeah.
So that one could be used like I go to the library.
Library. I go to the library.
Very
Library.
nice. Yeah, good.
Yeah. So theater.
Teacher? Is that it?
Theater. Theater.
Oh, teeter.
Yeah,
Yeah,
theater.
teeter.
Hmm.
All right. So theater.
Sorry,
Theater.
theater. Yeah,
Good. There we go. Theater.
theater.
Very nice.
Okay.
So she goes to the theater.
She goes to the theater.
Good. Yeah.
Yeah. So, next, repeat. Repeat. One moment. I, mm,
Rapid.
rapid. Rapid.
Yes. Rapid.
Rapid.
Very nice. Yeah. So
Okay.
the water was rapid.
Sorry.
The
The
water
wa- the water
was rapid.
was
Yeah.
rapid.
Very good.
Okay. Um, rare,
Rare.
rare,
Good. Rare.
rare.
Excellent. So the cup was rare.
The cup was rare.
Very nice.
Okay. Brave.
Brave.
Brave. Brave.
Yes, brave.
Brave.
Yes, there we go. So she was brave.
She was brave.
Yes, brave.
Brave.
Very good, yes. Thought.
Third.
Very close. Thought.
Third.
Awesome. Thought.
Third.
Yes.
Okay.
So that one would be she had a thought.
She had a third.
Yes, good job.
Okay. Culture.
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 Very good. You got that one. Culture.
Culture.
Very nice. So she learned about his culture.
She learned about his culture.
Very nice. Perfect.
Agriculture. Agriculture.
Agriculture.
Agriculture.
Very good. That one's a hard one.
Yeah.
So that one could be there was a lot of agriculture.
There was a lot agriculture.
Yes, agriculture.
Agriculture.
Beautiful.
Okay. Table.
Table?
Yeah. Table.
Good.
Table.
Table. Excellent.
Okay.
Right.
Right.
Very good.
Right.
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 Very nice. Yes, and that one is right.
Right.
Very good. Right.
Right.
Excellent. Cloud.
Cloud.
Perfect.
Okay.
Water.
Water.
Yes, water.
Water.
Very good. Watch.
Watch.
Yes, watch.
Watch.
Beautiful.
Okay. Okay, time is almost
All
30
right.
seconds.
Well, you did a great job.
Yeah.
I was happy to help you. It was so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you for teaching me a lot of words.
Oh, no problem. Anytime.
Yeah. I'm so glad to meet you.
Oh, I'm so glad to meet
Yes.
you. Thank you
Yeah.
so
Okay. Bye
much.
bye. Welcome.
Bye-bye.
See you again.
See you again.